Is this bitch record? Hello, here we go, hello, here we go, hello, hello, hello. You ain't go when you get up, clap, clap, get up. You ain't go when you get up, you work, clap, get up. You move when you get up.
What's going on, queens and kings? It's your Queen Luscioussliaa and I'm back with another video. Okay, so what's up, y'all? Today I'm back with a DIY and I will be turning a pair of leggings into a two-piece set. Okay? I'll be turning this pair of leggings to a two-piece set. Don't mind this little lip gloss thing, it just got on me. Oh yeah. And don't mind the hair, this is natural me, so yeah, I really don't care. Black girl, magic. Black girl, magic. Black lives matter. Always, every day, today, tomorrow, for all eternity. Black lives matter. Get that through y'all head. Black lives matter is a movement. Okay, so let's get into the video. Oh man, I forgot to say what I'm using. Okay, so I'm new to this. I don't usually make, clothes or whatever. I'm new to this, so I'll be sewing by hand. So I'm not using no sewing machine. Sewing by hand. So I don't know if this is the correct kind, but this is for hair. So I have my thread. I have my thread. I have my little needle. So sew with. Y'all know what a needle looks like. My needle to sew with. I got pieces to cut easily with the thread, just to cut the sleeve. Okay, so now let's get into the video. Okay, y'all. So second thought, I will not be making a two-piece out of this because I just tried it on, and it is too small. I mean, I did get this off the Goodwill bag and we sent it. But I did not expect it to be this small. I mean, to be this small. Dang, do it really gotta go to the floor like that? Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is another. Look how we look like. Okay, so turning these into biker shorts. I'm gonna attempt to do a bandeau top, but I don't know how that's gonna go because it has this on the side, so it's gonna be, hard enough. But it doesn't hurt to try. It doesn't hurt to try. You have to try things out in life. You don't know what you're capable of until you do it. So we gonna see if I can do it. But we gonna turn this into some biker shorts, okay? We gonna get it done. Alright. Y'all, I'm so frustrated because I had a whole bunch of DIYs that I wanted to do for y'all. And it's not even going right. Cause I really wanted to do something with these leggings, but for some reason, there was a whole bunch of clothes that ended up with my satin scarf. I don't like my clothes touching my satin scarf because it's greasy and my satin scarf stains everything that it be around. So look, I can't even do nothing with this because look at it. First of all, got grease stains. I don't know if y'all can see because of the light. Grease stains all right here. Then, look at this. Then, grease stains right here, you can't come out from that. And I love the way these fit. These are the full biker shorts. Gosh, bro. Like, look how this look on me. So, I'm gonna go to the other thing I was going to do with DIY. This thing here, I don't think so. This is a sweater that I was going to turn into, I don't know, maybe a crop sweater or like off the shoulder. Cause I don't really like this turtleneck situation and then do like that. So I'll get back with y'all. Okay, so this is what this shirt looks like. And you see this turtleneck situation? I don't really like that. So basically what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna crop it. And it's not too much I can really do with the sleeves because it's already a little snug. This, I'm gonna see how it looks cropped. And then if I don't like, I'm gonna stay on with it. So let's get into the video for real. For real. Okay, y'all, so I'm making it work. But it's not gonna be the best because black thread. So I'm gonna do what I do. So I did measure the shirt. But honestly, wherever the length stop, I'll be happy with it. So we just cut like, I'm gonna cut right here. This will be a cute little bag for a big girl. I'm gonna try this and see how it looks. Ooh, man! I should have. I'm upset. I should have cut it shorter, so I just had a little skirt situation going on. You know what I'm saying, man? Yes, I'm trying on. The shirt already had a curl to it, but maybe, because I did have it the opposite way, maybe I could try to cut it just a little bit shorter to see if it curled in a straight line. Let's see. I think with the little turtleneck and the crop look, I think that's a look, for real. I think that's a look. I really think that's a look. So yeah, I'm gonna try to cut it a little bit shorter. And we gonna see what it's getting from there. We gonna see what it's getting. Okay, so I'm gonna cut again. And so I can have it clipped on the right side this time. I'm gonna try to go straighter. Ooh, this gives this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm definitely loving this look. Like, I'm definitely loving this look. The fact that I cropped it, it made me like this more. And first of all, I got to cut the fine edges so it can give more of that curl that it was giving before I did. So this is the bottom of the shirt. And you see how, okay, that's because they like so, okay. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna really do that, but maybe I'll try. So yeah, this is definitely giving something. It's giving something. So I'm gonna try to like sew it. I'm gonna have to try to be real careful because this is like, so I'm gonna sew itself, right? And I'm using black. So we gonna give it a try.
How you beat it up? How you beat it up? How you beat it up? How you eat it up right before you beat it up. Beep beep ba beep ba beep 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 ba beep ba beep 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 ba beep ba beep 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 ba beep ba beep where your baby daddy at? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy at? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy? Where your baby daddy at? Where your baby? 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 Where your baby daddy? Daddy at? Come on, slash bitch.
When I see your face,
Oh, come on, come on.
there's not a thing that I would change.
Dance the kid with the beat,
You're
Shadid.
first place winner, first place winner, first place winner, first place winner,
Body of a goddess and her face is the hottest. And she don't need no man unless he filling up her pockets. And it's a
Okay, so I'm gonna try it on to see how I like the front. And if it's not really right, I'm gonna just hand pump the outfit and try to skirt on and dress it up because yeah, this was only, I mean, this was all fun and games, you know. See what I can do, but okay, y'all. So this looks a mess, but you know, if I really knew how to stitch it up, it would look good. So I'm gonna try to skirt on, and we just gonna dress the fit up and have a little fun with it. So yeah, the skirt or the fabric I cut out is way too short, so y'all can't see everything, but we just gonna serve look from right here. And then again, is that actually dressed this up? Okay, so we're just gonna serve looks from the chair. So yeah, hope I don't get copyright. If I do, then the music will get muted out and covered with some different music.
come on, CJ, you know what I'll go. That ain't your nigga, cut it out.
You know he not.
He at my house
And he working with a lot.
Working with a lot, 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 working with a lot.
And you can't do better.
What about the night ball? For the night ball, missing for the night ball.
You gotta get the skirt a little bit.
Bigger for the night ball, rubber for the night ball, bigger for the pussy in his mouth like a midnight snack. She got a pussy in his mouth like a midnight snack, like a midnight snack. She got a pussy in his mouth like a midnight snack.
I'm trying to tell one girl get comfortable.
Let him eat that, pussy like a little jabba. Know your girl get comfortable. Let him eat that, let him eat that, let him eat that.
Hey, this
Know your back, know your back, know your bigger for the neck. Know your back, know your back, know your bigger for the neck. Know your back, know your back, know your back. Hold it, CJ. Know your back, know your back. Mr. Midnight. Hey, Mr.
Okay, y'all, so I failed in the video trying to create, you know, a profile that would look good because this looks terrible. Like, I hope that if somebody actually make something like this and they think it looks good and their friends let them go out the house like that, knowing it looks terrible, that's foul, that's wrong. Like, no, this does not look good at all. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I failed, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and show some love to your girl. I love you, Queen.
Now bring the beat in. Bust some legs open. That booty so loose. Let me hit it from the back and make you rock. Rock, rock.